first off, what is HEKA? What the heck is HEKA? Pretty funny, huh? It was a hidden force that controlled reality. That's what the Egyptians thought. But not magic, so forget about that. The Egyptians didn't see HEKA as fantasy. They saw it as a universal force that governs all reality. The Egyptian rulers believed that HEKA controlled all aspects of the physical world, from your health, your wealth, your life. HEKA even controlled your personal future and how it played out. They believed that you could learn how to control HEKA. You held the key to reality. So first, let's break down what it is. Then I'm going to show you an ancient Egyptian technique that even the pharaohs used to attract anything that you want in your life. So think of it first as a hidden frequency that when activated allows you to really change all reality. First, it allows you to shift energy in your favor, like a magnet for success, for wealth, for love. Second, it allows you to speak reality into existence. In ancient Egypt, if you were a master of HEKA, they believed that you could literally bend matter and change the physical world with just your mind and your words and a specific chant that I'm about to tell you. 3, reprogram your subconscious mind so that you can attract anything you want faster, quicker, easier. In ancient Egypt, the pharaohs and the wealthiest people used it to attract power, influence, and riches. And by the way, speaking of reprogramming your subconscious, I have a free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It is my free success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind. Yesterday, I was reading a bunch of the YouTube comments and someone left a comment and they were like, okay, this is actually too powerful. It's so powerful. The guy said he got 4 job offers in the last 30 days of listening to it for a couple minutes every day. And he didn't know which job offer to pick. It's free. Just click the little YouTube card or go to jakeshypnosis.com, or it's pinned in the comments and in the description. Listen to it for a couple minutes every day. You are going to have so many awesome things show up into your life. Let's move on to number 4. The 4th thing that HEKA allows you to do is unlock supernatural levels of mental acuity. Ancient Egyptians believed that it basically activated a second mind, that it gave you a divine power, access to the mind of God. Ancient Egyptians literature says that HEKA was so potent that the gods even used it to create reality itself. So let me just say, I had no clue what HEKA was before I went down this research rabbit hole for hours, and what I found will blow your mind and change your life forever, because if Egypt believed HEKA was so potent that the gods used it to create the universe itself, just imagine what you could use it for in your own life. Your finances, your health, your career, what kind of car you drive, how awesome of a house do you live in. You would have a few thousand-year-old secret to control reality. But here's the part that they don't want you to know. HEKA isn't just for the richest people in the world. It's not just for the scholars and mystics of ancient Egypt, the Egyptian pharaohs. This is something that you can use. It's real, it's practical, and I just discovered it for myself right now. So right now we're gonna break down their methods step by step for exactly how they were using it so you can use it too. Now, how do we use it? Well, it really goes back to sound. Modern science is even proving this now. Sound isn't just noise. It's a force that can shape matter. It can alter energy, bend reality. So through my research on this video, I even discovered some mind-blowing things. Like, a lot of scholars don't believe that the pyramids were just carried by man. Some people even believe that the Egyptian architects tapped into secret sound frequencies to make the stones levitate in order to actually build the pyramids. And whether that's true or not, one thing's undeniable. The Egyptians knew that the right sound spoken with intent could manipulate energy, attract abundance, and turn thoughts into reality. So first off, speak your desires into existence. The Egyptians didn't hope. They didn't hope that one day, maybe, hopefully, they could build the pyramids, right? Instead of just saying, like, I want success, say, I am a powerful force of success. Opportunities chase me. Fortune favors me. And this is the most important. If you really want to tune into the HEKA frequency, this ancient frequency, say this: money flows to me as the Nile flows to the sea. Think about that. It's perfect sounding frequency. It all rhymes. It's all harmonic. You can comment that down below. Money flows to me as the Nile flows to the sea. Money flows to me as the Nile flows to the sea. And if it's not money you want, just shift so it fits you personally. Say instead, love flows to me as the Nile flows to the sea. You can comment down below and start to activate that shift. Love flows to me as the Nile flows to the sea. Or you could say like, miracles flow to me as the Nile flows to the sea. Second, to fully activate HEKA for reality creation, there's a very specific protocol, they called it HEKA, and it was a chant that they used to actually reshape reality. It was sacred sound code. So it was like words that acted as vibrational keys to unlock hidden forces. So HEKA was a chanting technique they used to invoke HEKA in order to essentially open the doorway to reality or press pause on reality so they could edit it. And this way you can do, so you can edit your bank account, your love life, your career, whatever it is that you want to create in your life. So what is this HEKA, ancient Egyptian chant that they were using? How do you do it? They say Sa Aka Suhu. The translation is, may my spirit and body be awakened into the divine power. May my spirit and body be awakened into the divine power. And what you do is chant that mantra slowly, feeling the sound vibrate through you while you're visualizing golden energy and your dream reality that you want to attract into your life. Now, the third way that they harmonized and utilized HEKA to create reality is through frequencies. A lot of people don't know this, but they actually even encoded the pyramids with frequencies. There's actually acoustic frequencies throughout the entire pyramid. 432 hertz and 528 hertz are believed to be the HEKA frequency. So what I did is I redesigned my free success hypnosis with these frequencies subliminally embedded into the mantras. You can download it for free at jakeshypnosis.com, or you can click the link in the description of this video, or you can go to the comment section and I pinned it as the top comment. So you could just click that and you can get it for free. It is embedded with these frequencies and you can start to utilize this power. So the real question, what will you create with this ancient Egyptian knowledge? Try this for the next 7 days and watch reality start bending in your favor. If the pharaohs, the priests, the high initiates were using HEKA, imagine what you can do once you unlock its secret. Wishing you a beautiful day. Sunrise is just coming up. I can see the mountains in every direction. Super grateful and grateful for you watching today's video. Give me a comment down below that says, going to be an amazing day. And if you enjoy this video, like, subscribe, bell notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time.